Welcome everyone. In this session, we will focus on Chapter 14, Preparing for Buyer Visits and Lab Audits. This video outlines the essential steps for maintaining a high-performance textile color lab that is always ready for evaluation. Buyer visits and lab audits are critical checkpoints in a textile lab. They assess your technical capabilities, consistency, and compliance. Proper preparation builds buyer confidence and strengthens long-term business relationships. Audits range from technical and process reviews to compliance, follow-up, and buyer support visits. Each type has a distinct focus, ranging from infrastructure calibration to collaborative R&D and closing out previous nonconformities. Key audit objectives include assessing lab infrastructure, verifying documentation accuracy, evaluating staff competency, and monitoring safety protocols, alongside reviewing right first-time performance. Preparation is key. Ensure your documentation, such as SOPs, calibration logs, and tracking sheets, is up to date. Verify that all equipment, including spectrophotometers and dispensers, is properly calibrated and serviced. Maintain a safe and organized lab environment. Keep MSDS sheets visible, ensure staff are trained for audits, and keep records of data and CAPA logs easily accessible to demonstrate your compliance efforts. Organization is vital for documentation and calibration. Use indexed binders or digital systems to manage records. Maintain a visible calibration status board to quickly confirm that all equipment is within its required schedule. Ensure SOP compliance through regular internal mock audits. Staff should be able to explain processes confidently. Prioritize daily inspections of safety features like eye wash stations and first aid kits. Use data to your advantage. Prepare trend charts to visually demonstrate continuous improvement in your right first-time performance, highlighting successful optimization efforts. When conducting the audit, start with an opening meeting to introduce your team and agenda. During the facility walkthrough, guide auditors through key areas while ensuring everything is clean, organized, and running smoothly. This scene is intentionally blank. After the audit, analyze the report, prepare corrective action plans with assigned responsibilities, and hold internal review meetings to address any findings before the next visit. Utilize audit readiness templates. These include preparation checklists, CAPA trackers, and summary reports to keep your lab organized and ensure nothing is overlooked during preparations. Best practices include maintaining constant audit readiness, transparent communication, and fostering a culture of ownership among your staff so that compliance becomes an everyday habit. In summary, avoid common pitfalls like outdated logs or poor housekeeping by implementing regular systems. By training your staff and treating every audit as an opportunity to improve, you will maintain a superior lab standard. Thank you for watching. Let's now move on to the next Chapter 15, Continuous Improvement and Lab Innovation.